In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do pitch stutter effect in BandLab. Before we dive in, a quick snapshot of what we're building. A tight, rhythmic stutter that chops a vocal or any audio into tiny slices so it can bounce and glitch in time with your track. Today's focus is the foundation, splitting the audio cleanly and precisely so it's ready for that signature pitchy stutter feel. Start by selecting the vocal or audio clip you want to affect. Make sure it's highlighted so every edit you make applies to the right region. It helps to listen through once and mark the exact moment where you want the stutter to start. Often a syllable, a sustained note, or a word ending works best. Now move the playhead to the exact point where you want your first cut. Precision matters here, so zoom in until you can see the waveform clearly. If your project is synced out to a tempo, keep an eye on the grid. That grid is your friend because it shows musical note values in time. If you're unsure how long a 16th or 30-second note feels, think of it like this. At 120 BPM, 1/4 note is half a second, so a 16th is 1/8 of that. Tiny. With the playhead placed, right-click on the clip and choose Split. You'll see the clip divide at that point. From here, continue splitting into very short slices. Aim for pieces around a 16th note in length, or even 30-second notes if you want that super tight, machine gun style stutter. The shorter the slices, the tighter and more energetic the effect will feel. If you're after a slightly looser texture, go a bit longer, but keep it consistent so the rhythm lands cleanly. As you work, use the waveform to guide your cuts. Try to avoid slicing right in the middle of a transient if it creates clicks, and consider placing cuts at zero crossings when possible for cleaner playback. Don't worry if you make a cut you don't love. Undo is there for a reason. Once you've created a row of tiny slices, play through the section. You'll notice you now have fine-grained control over the timing and phrasing of that moment. This slicing stage sets you up perfectly for crafting a pitch stutter, because each slice can later be shaped, pitched, or arranged with surgical precision. For now, focus on consistent musical slice lengths and a clean set of cuts. That's the groundwork that makes the pitch stutter sound tight, controlled, and professional.